What's up guys, it's Fuzo and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a price rundown of all the mods that I've done on my Mercedes A200 Amg Line. Whew, that's quite a long car name, but yeah, a lot of you guys will be messaging me on Instagram. By the way, my Instagram will be here right now if anyone wants to follow. Yeah, and TikTok, like asking about where I got the mods from and the prices. So in this video I'll be doing a price rundown. Yeah, but guys, before we get into the video, why am I so on the right? Yeah, before we get into the video guys, make sure to like, comment, smash the subscribe button, and yeah, let's go. Yeah, so guys, just to that kind of scared me, but yeah, so guys, just to start off the video, I'm just going to say that the prices for the prices that I'm going to give in this video are just for the mods. It does not include like shipping fees and installation fees, as obviously a lot of people like to do it themselves, and a lot of companies, they're going to charge different rates and stuff. But yeah, just to clarify that. So let's start at the front of the car and let's go around. Yeah, so the first mod I'm going to go through is the GTR style Pan America grille. Honestly, this mod is one of the biggest changes on the car. It makes the car look so much more menacing, and it just looks better than the regular diamond grille that you get on the A classes. And yeah, you can pick one of these up from eBay for about £90 to £100. A lot of these parts you can get from AliExpress. They just take a lot longer to come, but the prices are a little bit cheaper. So if you're not in a rush and you don't mind waiting like a month or two for the delivery, you can get from AliExpress. But a lot of the parts you can get, I just get them off eBay because it comes quicker. And yeah, another big change that I've done recently is this stripe across the bonnet. Honestly, this just makes the car look so much more angry. I know a lot of people don't like stripes because it looks like boy racery, but it's something I like. Yeah, so I paid £40 for that. And yeah, so the next mod is the headlight tints on both headlights here. I paid £30. It's a special type of tint called fly eye tint, so it just gives the car that full-on blacked out look. We've also got the sun strip on the front, you can see it there guys. That was done by the previous owner, so I'm not too sure on the cost of the price. So any wrap shop probably do it for about £40–50, but I'm not too sure. It does look good though. And finally, in terms of the front, we got this Maxon design splitter, as you can see there guys. Yeah, so guys, the splitter and the side skirts and the rear splitter, which I haven't put on, I got it for such an absolute bargain. Basically, a guy, he bought it for his A45, but brand new from Maxon. He didn't want to put it on anymore because he wanted to change the car, sell the car. So I bought it brand new for £250, but normally they cost £142 for the splitter, £142 for the side skirts, and £79 for the rear splitter. So that's a total of, my maths is terrible, I put the total here somewhere, but yeah, so I got a banging deal on the kit, Maxton kit. Yeah, so guys, that's all the mods that I've done on the front of my Mercedes A200, just to make it not look stock. Especially the grille is my favorite from the front. Yeah, so let's move on to the side of the car now. Yeah, straight away, as you can see guys, we've got the Maxon side skirts. Makes the car look so much more lower, gives it that mean look. And as I said before, that costs £142. Oh, this is a mod, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, I got these calipers red. Well, that was the previous owner, but I put these on, these center caps. They stick out a tiny bit and they've got a red outline. I paid £10 for them. On the sides, I've also got these stickers. You can get them from eBay for about £3–4. Yeah, but guys, make sure to subscribe, and Instagram is there as well. And that's the side guys. Moving on to the rear guys, got quite a few mods in the back, so let me spin the camera and go for each one. Straight away, as you can see, I've got the A45 style spoiler. Yeah, this was about It's about £150, but I do recommend getting it from Diversion Automotive. They have a better quality one. So yeah, these are quality is not the best, but yeah. So I've spray painted this black by myself. I don't know, I got the paint for like what, like £3. I can see myself in the reflection. But yeah, yeah, we also got the back headlights tinted. £40 I paid for that. Cameraman's doing a lovely job going back and forth. This is one of my coolest mods. Well, the one that I think makes the car is this carbon fiber look diffuser with the quad tailpipes. I paid £250 for that. Yeah, but you can get it for cheaper if you want to go on AliExpress, like I said. Also got these car nods coming soon, but Diversion Automotive, you've been letting me down. It's been a month nearly. But yeah, what else we got going on?
The seat belts.
Oh, yeah. Come on guys, let's go inside. So in the inside, I got these black and red vents. I know you can get black and yellow and carbon fiber, but I really like the look of the black and red, as it just adds a bit of colour to the car and the interior. Yeah, I picked that up for £6 from AliExpress. Also, we've got these carbon fiber look door whatever these are called. Yeah, I got these off Amazon for about £15, I think. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, this is one of my favorite mods. It's these red seat belts. Honestly, when you sit in the car, you feel like a race driver. You know, like let me put these in. You know, like Archie Hamilton. Is it Archie Hamilton? Lewis Hamilton. But yeah, he's gonna come in and show you guys the. Come here. Let me show you guys how. You know, when you're a passenger, yeah, you look. The red seat belts make you look so sexy. Look how sexy do you feel with these red seat belts?
Yeah, I feel like I'm in a race car, man.
Yeah, come on. So yeah, that's the red seat belts. Yeah, even with the seat belts, guys, even in videos, yeah, look, he loves them. They look like they just make pictures and selfies look sick. I'm gonna put that in the video, and his mom's gonna watch that. Your mom's gonna watch that. Your mom's gonna watch that, you know. Your dad's gonna watch it as well. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna end the video up here. That's just the price breakdowns of all the mods I've done on my car. Hope it's giving you guys some inspiration for what you can do to your car, etc. And you enjoyed the video. Anyone needs any extra information or links, my Instagram, DM me on that, I'll reply straight away. And yeah, make sure to guys subscribe, share, and peace out.